Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Payments for freelancers step by step clearly. To activate Shopify Payments as a freelancer, begin by logging into your Shopify account. On the Shopify dashboard, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to access various account options. Next, select Payments from the available Settings menu. Under the Payment Providers section, you will see available options for payment processing. Look for the Shopify Payments option and click on Activate. You may be prompted to enter the necessary details for your business. Fill in your business information, including your address, phone number, and tax information. Next, provide information about the type of products you sell. It's important to select the correct industry that best describes your business. Proceed to input your bank account details for payouts. Ensure that your banking information is accurate to avoid delays in receiving funds. Once all required fields are completed, read through the terms and conditions for Shopify Payments. If you agree to the terms, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Now, click on the Complete Setup button to finalize the activation. In some cases, Shopify may require additional verification documents. If prompted, upload the necessary documents to complete the verification process. After successful verification, your Shopify Payments will be activated. You can now accept credit cards and other payment methods directly through your store. To check your payment settings, return to the Payments section in your account settings. Here, you can adjust any preferences or view transaction details as needed. Make sure to review your accounts regularly to ensure smooth operation. Now you're ready to start processing transactions with Shopify Payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.